guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to make an announcement, and if you follow me along you might have heard it already, but I am doing Vlogmas this year for the very first time. I will be starting tomorrow. I know that some of it might not be within the rules, and I've tried to read up on the rules and they're not clear, so I'm just doing it for fun. I'm not doing it to follow like 100% certain rules or whatnot, but anyways, I'm doing it because I think it will be fun. I think it's gonna be able for me to reach more of you on more personal level, so I thought that's why I have decided to do it. So like I said, it's gonna start tomorrow. It's gonna have daily vlogs, but I will also incorporate some of the videos that I have already planned on doing. Anyways, there's a couple challenges that I'm going to be including in December, just right at the beginning. I know there's one that I am hosting, which is the Dollar Store Christmas Tree Decor Challenge. That one's going up on December 1st, so if you haven't had a chance to check it out, I will link the video up in a corner for you, so you can check it out. There's not too many rules, but I'm not gonna get into that. I'll leave the link to the video. And then I will be also participating in I think there's two more, maybe three, but two for sure. And like I said, they're gonna be all at the beginning, but I will include those on top of the other videos that I will be posting daily. I am hoping that I will be able to post the following day, so I'll record one day, post the next day. The only difference is going to be is I am not going to be posting right at 7 a.m. like most of my videos come out, but I will be moving them most likely to around 5 p.m. That way it gives me a little bit of time to edit them, and if I don't manage to edit them at night, I will still have a bit of time during the day to edit them while the kids nap. So that's the plan. I am looking forward to all the other Vlogmases that are coming our way. I know a few of them already announced, few of them already started. So just looking forward to all the holiday content coming from everybody, really. Even if you're not posting Vlogmas, not doing Vlogmas, there's so much of good content, holiday content, and I just love this time of the year, and all the decorations, all the family togetherness that everybody has planned and is doing, and that's really what it's important, I guess. So yeah, so I just thought I wanted to pop in here and let you guys know for the next month that you're gonna be seeing a lot of me. I hope it's a good thing. So if you are watching this video for the very first time and you are not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button so you don't miss out on Vlogmas, and make sure you press the notification button so you know when I post videos and you will get the notification. For all of you followers that follow me on a regular basis, thank you so much again. And like I said, until next time, have a wonderful day, and can wait to see you all tomorrow. Well, it will be day after tomorrow, and I won't be seeing you, but you'll be seeing me. So anyways, well, I will be seeing some of you. So anyways, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.